Welcome to the SolidWorks tutorial on Extrude Boss, or just Extrude. After you've created your sketch, you're going to want to make your part three-dimensional. If you don't know how to do sketches, I have another video um, specifically for them. You can see it's two-dimensional as I drag it around. But here's the Extrude Boss, and then you want to click on your part. You can either click on the object here or find it in your tree. It should do the same thing. Sometimes you have to click it from the tree so you get all the entities that you want. Now you have several options when extruding. You can just simply drag it as far as you want. You can even drag it backwards, which will activate this right here, the two directions, which has the same options as direction 1. So we're going to turn that off and talk about some of these. The vertex to surface is really handy because it takes you to another surface if you have more than one entity or body. Offset from the surface, so it'll bring it close to it, or you can even go to a body in midplane. Really helpful in situations when the part might change over time. You can constrain it to the surface. That way if you update your part, it'll go with it. And there, as easy as that to make an extrusion. Now say you want to use the revolve. Let's create a new part. We're going to want to create a sketch, pick a plane, we'll draw a box, and we'll draw a line next to the box to show you what you can do with it. Now if you want a more intricate design, you're going to change the box up more, make it more what you want. Then you click on revolve, and it's going to want to know the axis. Our axis is this line here. Let's make sure we don't have anything selected. That's my issue there. Now we can select on the axis, and we're going to click on the part, and there we go. It has generated a washer for us. Now say we just want to create a solid. Let's delete the revolve and edit the sketch, delete this, exit the sketch, create the revolve again, and we'll just pick on the edge and we'll revolve it around. So it's nice and dandy to be able to create things. Sometimes you're going to want to cut things out. So you're going to use the extrude cut or a revolve cut, which will do the reverse of a revolved base boss. So we're going to click on the surface we want to sketch on, and we can create our holes. And so this is where we're going to be able to see to next surface. Of course we can just drag it through and be lazy, or we can do through all, which if the part gets wider, it'll move with it, or to next surface in case you have multiple surfaces and you only want it to touch a certain one. And then you hit OK. And now you can see if we update this, make it longer, the hole gets longer as well. If we were just to use a basic blind, it would only go to here then and would not cut all the way through. So this is the end of this tutorial.